Hi guys. So today, sorry for the lighting. It's so bad. Anyway, today I'm gonna be doing a spicy hot wings challenge. The reason they look so red is because the provided sauce was not hot enough, which is this. I only used one packet. This is the sauce that it came with. It came with 2 packets. I only used one. And this was nowhere near hot enough for me, so it was not spicy at all. So I'm crazy, as you know, if you've watched my other videos, you know that I have done the spicy noodle challenge and the 2 times spicy noodle challenge. And so what I added, oh shit, I added the I mixed, let me just wipe that. Yeah, I mixed the 2 times spicy sauce. I don't know if you can see that, it's hard to see. But yeah, I mixed the 2 times spicy sauce with the buffalo sauce that was provided. Right there. See, 2 times spicy. And yeah, and this is how it came out. So my eye is bothering me. Anyway, so yeah, wish me luck. Okay, I'm back. So let me roll up my sleeves. I know a lot of people are requesting like hiccups, but I don't know if I'm gonna hiccup, to be honest. I have 5 wings here. Hopefully I can get through them all. That's pretty good. There we go. Hiccup. Oh, fuck. Excuse my language. Oh my god. This is just the first one. It's the damn spicy noodle sauce. I don't know what. What? Why do I do this to myself? The funny thing is, I'm so hungry. Yeah, that's enough for that one. On to the next one. I don't eat wings like this, okay? I never leave that much meat on it, but for the purposes of this video, I am not going to dissect the whole wing, okay? These are some giant wings. Oh yeah, I fully forgot the intro. So, if you don't know me, I'm Lulu Bella. You can call me Lulu if you'd like. This is my channel. Jesus Christ. This is my channel if you'd like to see more spiciness and hiccups. And just let me know, because that's what people have been requesting, so I'm doing the hot wings. Mm-hmm. It's pretty good. It's reminding me of that show on First We Feast. Yeah, First We Feast. Called Hot Ones. I would love to be on that show, but I'd have to get popular first. Mm. But First We Feast. If you see this, holler at your girl. Cause I'm a master of spicy. And the hiccups are going for now. I guess this one's not as spicy. My lips are burning. I'm on my hair. I didn't feel like combing it. So, this is what you get. Nice little updo hair tie thing. Oh, lips are burning. Oh, I don't want no hair over there. Okay, next wing. Look how red that shit is. And now it won't focus on the chicken. But yeah, this shit is superly hot. My lips red. Did I finish the intro? Don't forget to like this video, because although I love spicy food, this is like torture. I like to punish myself, apparently. Third wing, done. Mind you, I have no milk with me. I have water over there, but I didn't purposely bring it for this video. It's just there. I'm gonna start crying soon. Hopefully my battery doesn't run out. My tongue burning. I thought it's okay. By the time it gets to my tail, it's not that hot anymore. But my lips are on fire. I'm gonna be all swollen and powdery by the time I'm done. Sorry I couldn't hiccup more, but you're lucky I even hiccuped. Cause I can't predict when that's gonna happen. I'm gonna start crying soon. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay. Fourth one done. Fifth and final wing. Ah. No, seriously, there's something wrong with me. Why do I do these things? I'm hungry. My lips are on fire. Oh, oh my god. You can get a few more bites. Okay, I'm done with that one. There you go. I ate most of it. Okay. Why didn't I get a tissue? Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that and a bit of hiccuping at the beginning because I know I have some crazy fans out there that yeah, so my camera died. I mean, my phone died. So just don't forget to like down below, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell down below so that you get notifications. So you like know when I post videos, you know? Alright? And there's a random piece of glitter on my eye, but I don't know. And so my lips are so pouty and swollen and red. Anyway, yeah. Bye for now.